What's up guys? I'm Jairus Arenas/J Pilot, and today's video, what things do I need to bring outside? The first thing you want to bring is your drone. Why? Your drone is the most important thing in your vacation because this can shoot videos up high. Well, your cell phone cannot reach that height. So the drone here can shoot videos up the sky very easily, not like your regular cell phone shoot like this. Well, your drone is up high, you can't even see it. Well, so first thing, your drone. The next thing is your remote. Your remote can control your drone from high up. How do you use your drone without your remote? So bring your remote. The next thing is your batteries. Battery is very important. Your drone won't work without this battery, and this is for your remote. And don't forget to bring some extras, because if your remote dies and won't work, you have extra ones or maybe triple, so bring those. The next thing is, well, your prop is important too, and very important. When your props is destroyed, you got more. When your prop is destroyed again, you have more and more. And so bring props, more props, like FPV. When you break a prop and you fix it and you good, like that. So bring props. To the next one, did I mention the charger and the brick? Well, you need this too. Get this charger into your bag, and let's go to the next one. And your landing pad. Why I need a landing pad? Because if there are dirt and sand, well, you have to get a landing pad like this. So get yourself one of these. If it is a bigger drone, buy a bigger landing pad in online stores or nearest hobby store if there's one. I think there's no landing pad available in any stores in the Philippines. You only have to buy landing pad in online stores, in your cell phone. So go to the online store and buy some landing pad. Wait a minute, where's the take off button? Wait, where's the stop button? Oh no, wait. Well, you need your instruction manual. If you don't know what is the button is, what's which, what's for, well, you have the instruction manual. The instruction manual is for your app and your controls. You have to have this instruction manual in your bag, or else something can go wrong. So have this instruction manual in your bag. Done. Well, you have to have this in your bag too. And this bike light can save your drone in night. If you're flying outside in night, well, if you are professional drone or you're just a kid, don't fly outside at night. Or maybe you can fly outside at day but not night, just day, don't fly at night. And this bike light is very bright, and switch mode, rainbow. You have strobe, we have fast light, and we have the light. And to open it, just long press and there you go. And the next thing is your wipers, I don't know. You can use your t-shirt or this. I prefer this. What if your shirt is dirty and you have nothing to, wipe your drone? You get some dust because you don't have landing pads. Well, you have this to save your image, sticky stuff on your camera. So bring this. I got that one. And guys, I have a link down below in the description. Why is this is very important? Your props, propellers. I have a short video, links in the description. And guys, comment down below what things are already in your bag, and comment down below if I missed something or I have to add something in this list. Just comment down below and I fix the video or come up with another one. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.